I know, but
Biggest
it's
one.
huge.
It's broken.
Put
Broken
mine
shells.
in here. Josh.
Yes, Sam. What do you got back here?
See the one that's broke?
Where's that? Show it. Display that to us. Put it in your hand and model it for us, like
Right
Vanna.
here.
Do a Vanna way here. That's pretty close.
I wish it wasn't broke.
It would be like twice that big if it wasn't broke, wouldn't it? What do you think used to live in there?
I don't know.
It's great with this mirror here because you don't look at me, but I can still see your face.
Great.
That wonderful smile you have.
I'm gonna go over here, that way like I'll let you pull the camera too.
Yep. All right.
Look at our connection so far.
Let's hear it. What's going on here? What do we got? What do we got?
Not too much.
Ooh.
Dark, they look really crappy. When you put them in the real light, they look pretty decent. You just flick me off.